Hello everyone, and once again welcome to Fame Ebong TV. And today we'll be making liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. We'll be using the cooking salt. This salt I'm using is a regular cooking salt. Then we'll be using the TEXAPON. This TEXAPON can be purchased at the chemical store. And lastly, we'll be using the SLS. These are the 3 major ingredients for making liquid soap with just 3 ingredients: cooking salt, TEXAPON, and SLS. All these can be purchased at the store. SLS and TEXAPON purchased at the chemical store. Then cooking salt can be purchased at any store around you where they sell items for preparing foods. So first of all, you have to make sure you have dissolved your salt. I'm making use of 500 grams of salt. Each of these salt pack is 250 grams. So double will be 500 grams. Since 2 weigh 250 grams. Your salt has to be properly dissolved. That's one thing you should note when making liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. Your salt has to be properly dissolved. So take time and dissolve your salt in your water. Make sure you stir it till it has completely dissolved. We are making about 4 to 5 liters of liquid soap. This ingredient is for 4 liters or 5 liters of liquid soap. So you can actually produce 4 liters, or you can add more water and make it 5 liters. But I will advise you should do 4 liters first. If you are new to this production, start with 4 liters with this quantity of chemicals. Then once you have achieved a thick liquid soap, you can now add water if you want to increase it and make it 5 liters. So this is 4 liters we are going to be making in this video. So another thing you should make sure that you are properly dissolved is your SLS. Your SLS has to be properly dissolved. Take time to dissolve your SLS. Dissolve it properly. Everything you are dissolving should be dissolved properly. And also, if you check the description of this video, you will find a link where you can join my online classes on WhatsApp, where you learn a lot of things. You learn how to make the tablet soap, the soda soap, the organic soap, body cream, liquid soap, shampoo, hair conditioner. There's a lot of things you actually learn at my online classes. Check the description of this video for a link where you can join the class and learn with other students all over the world. And also, I'm on social media, TikTok, Instagram, and then I have a Facebook page. My TikTok name is actually called The Famous Guy. That's the name. You search for The Famous Guy on TikTok. Same thing with Instagram. It is also called The Famous Guy. But my Facebook page is called Famous Skincare. So you can do well by checking for those descriptive names on social media. You'll find me there. I'm on social media where you can follow me. We do a lot of giveaways, a lot of discussion on skincare tips and do's and don'ts on skincare production. So you get them there. We can even chat there also. So right now I have poured my SLS into my liquid, and I'm trying to make sure that it has mixed properly with my salt, because I had initially dissolved my salt in that water. So right now I'm mixing it with my SLS that I have also make sure that I have dissolved properly. So you just mix it and see how both of them can mix well. So the next thing I'll be adding is my TEXAPON. I'll just pour it inside like that. You can see how I'm doing it. Just pour it inside directly. So don't forget to also join the online class on WhatsApp. Check the description of this video. You will see a link. You click on the link, it will take you to where you can join the group on WhatsApp. So immediately after 24 hours, I kept this aside for at least 24 hours. And this is how the soap looks like. It's not actually transparent because I made my SLS in a pasty form. If I had made the SLS come out in a liquid form, it would have been very transparent. Notwithstanding, I will be dropping another video on how to achieve a very transparent liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. I will drop the video again. I had previously dropped a video on how to achieve a transparent liquid soap with 3 ingredients. If you check my previous videos, you will see where I did a video on how to achieve a transparent liquid soap with salt, SLS, and TEXAPON. I will drop another video. I will make this video 3 times. This is the second video I'm making. I will drop another one. The next one I'll be dropping is how to achieve this but making it transparent. Now right now I'm adding my color into my liquid soap. This soap foams very well and it is thick. If I want to make this thicker than this, I will just increase my TEXAPON. I will just add another TEXAPON into this mixture and this soap will be thicker than this. So if you don't enjoy the thickness, just simply add extra TEXAPON to this mixture. There's the same quantity of TEXAPON you added before. Just add the same quantity again. Your liquid soap will be thicker than this if you want it to be thicker than this. But me, I want this. I don't want it to be thicker than this. Now, when you make liquid soap with just these 3 ingredients, this is a cheap type of liquid soap. Just to try, you will not spend too much money. This is a cheap type of liquid soap. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to check the description of this video for the link where you can join my online class and learn a lot of skincare production. And also, this liquid soap foams very well, and I like the thickness. But if you want it to be thicker than this, don't forget you add extra TEXAPON. But it foams and leathers very well. Don't forget to follow me on social media, Famous Skincare, and TikTok and Instagram. See you on our next video. Goodbye.